Hey guys, welcome back to Quick Tips. Today I want to talk to you about something that actually tricked me the first time, and that's creating folders in Adobe Express. There's a really great new feature that allows you to make these folders, but I went to use it and I couldn't figure out what I was doing wrong because I went with my typical workflow, which is go to Express, go to View All next to my recent projects, and then I was looking for the Create Folder option and I only see the Create File option here, and I was really confused. And then I realized it's just one slight different click. So let's go back home, and then instead of going to Recent View All, we're going to go to Your Stuff. And even though this looks the same, we can see there's now a different create option here. We have the option to create a file or create a folder. So if we go to recent, we only have that create file option. If we come in here, we have that create folder option. And if we create a folder, that allows us to move our content into folders, which is great if you're working on multiple different projects, or if you have a project for a specific client that you want to share. You can easily go in here, create a folder, and stick that content right inside. Well, that's it for this week. Hope to see you again next week for another quick tip.